Hello, I'm Ana from Triwi. Triwi was born in Spain in 2021 and we already have international presence. We are dedicated to 3D technology with a B2C. Since the opening of our business, it was clear to us that we wanted to have Creality in our portfolio. We were already familiar with Creality's products, and on our side we were building a professional team in different areas: engineering, marketing, customer service. Both in Spain and in Europe, we are doing an important job of information and training in 3D technology, which leads to new relationships and agreements in the different sales channels. A very important pillar at Triwi is customer support from the beginning of the relationship to the after-sales service. That is why we have an area dedicated solely to providing technical support to all of our customers. We are constantly growing and improving, and that is why we expect our relationship with Creality to go to the next level.